What's up, everybody? Clarinet dude here. Sorry, my hair's all messy. So, it is like 10 o'clock, maybe, I don't know. And, sorry, a few hours ago, we got a puppy. Look at his name, since this is very close to my birthday. Just 3 weeks from now. Her name is Maggie. So I'm gonna pause this video and show you guys pictures of her. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will make a video of her maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, maybe I don't know. You guys most of you already knew that I had another dog, so now we have 2. If we still had the other 2 dogs, we would have 4. I think I did the math correct. 2 dogs, plus the other 2 dogs, yeah, that's 4. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Well, like I said, I'll try and get some videos in with Maggie's her name. So, yeah, very nice. Peace.